right, today, the first day of art, we'll be either creating our folders. Most of the folders are already created, meaning they're already glued together. But if yours is not, you'll glue your papers on your folder. So your folder are different colors for different grade levels. This is a third grade color, pink. On the front of your folder should have the art attendance. So you'll put your name here and your teacher's name. So your homeroom, your classroom teacher, not my name, will go here. And then these sections, we will be coloring them in every time that you come to art. So if you're a third grader, you're going to color in both of these sections at one time, because there's 9 rectangles, one for each of the days of the quarter, because there's 9 weeks in a quarter. So every time you come, you're going to fill in both 2 triangles. If you're a 4th and 5th grader, I'll see you twice sometimes. If you come on Monday, I'll see you Monday and Friday. So if I see you on a Monday, you'll color in one triangle and Friday the other. If you're a 4th and 5th grader and you come on a Tuesday, you're going to color in both of them because I will only see you once that week. So this is your cover. On the inside of your folder are 2 other pieces of paper. One about the elements of art, and I make reference to this all the time. The elements of art are the tools that artists use to create their art: line, shape, color, texture, space, and value. So we'll talk about how we are going to use these in all of our projects. Not all of the elements we use each time, but we do talk about which ones we're going to use. And then on the other side, or they could be switched because it doesn't matter where these really go, will be our color wheel that will color in when you have time. So if today you're done with your name tag, you might want to color in your color wheel. So on this sheet, it has what you're going to learn. So we have our color wheel. We have some I Can Discovery quotes. It's got some examples about different forms. It's got your colors divided up. So it's got a lot of good information. So that's on your inside. On the back of the folder, it's empty. And so you can create some type of art here when you have time. So again, each time that you come in, you'll get your folders. They'll be in a table folder with your teacher's name on it. Somebody will pass them out, whoever the number is up on my word wall. They'll be in charge of the table, so they'll pass them out. You'll do your attendance and then put them in the little holder here. So all the folders fit nicely out of the way here. Okay. The other things that are in your folder is some stickers. So these are 10 stickers, and you're going to put your name on each of them. And I would use a Sharpie, something black, and write it big so we can see it. We're going to put these on our artwork when we're done, so if I display your art in the hallway, we'll know whose it is. So you're going to fill these out with your name on each of them and put them in your folder. And then last that you should have around or laying on your table is a little clip. And this will be what we're going to use on my new behavioral chart that I'm using, culture is using, and music. So you're going to write your name here, again, preferably with something black so we can see it. And then on the other side, you write your teacher's name. And then next time I see you, they'll be clipped on my green smiley face. And if I ask you to move a clip because you're not paying attention or disrupting others, I'll have you move a clip down to the yellow. And if you have to move a clip to red, you'll probably have to be visiting Miss Moore or Miss Miyagi, the culture teacher. So those 3 things you should need to fill out, and just the clip, just kind of put aside and we'll collect those. Our first thing that we'll be creating is our name tags. But I'm going to stop the video for a second so that you can start working on our folders. So everybody should get out their folders. Make sure you're putting your name, teacher's name, and then coloring in that first rectangle if you're a 3rd grader, or one triangle if you're a 4th or a 5th, because I will see you on Friday if you're a 4th or 5th. So let's fill out the folder, create your clip, and do your stickers. So we're going to take a few moments to get our stickers done. Again, your name is going to go on each one of these. There's 10. So stick your name really big, just your first name on all of these stickers.